In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a reoccurring task in Asana. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same task over and over, like weekly reporting, monthly invoicing, or a daily reminder, setting it to repeat will save you time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by creating a new task. You can do this inside a project by clicking Add Task, or from anywhere in Asana by clicking the plus button and choosing Task. Give your task a clear, reusable name, something like Submit Weekly Report instead of a specific date, so it makes sense each time it returns. Next, set the initial due date. Click the due date field and choose the first date you want this task to occur. This starting point tells Asana when the repeating cycle begins, so pick the earliest date you want the task to be due. With the due date selected, open the repeat options. In the calendar pop-up, you'll see a set to repeat option near the bottom. Click that to turn this task into a recurring one. If you don't notice the repeat option at first, make sure the task has a due date selected. The repeat setting appears with the date picker. Now configure how often you want it to recur. You can choose a simple pattern like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If you need something more specific, use the custom option. That lets you set intervals, like every 3 months, or pick exact days of the week, such as Mondays and Wednesdays, or specific days of the month. As you adjust these options, think about your real schedule. Weekly works well for routines tied to specific weekdays, while monthly is better for date-based tasks like billing or reporting cycles. Once your recurrence looks right, save it by clicking Done or the equivalent confirmation button. This locks in the repeating rule. At this point, add any details you normally include, like descriptions, attachments, or tags, so every future instance arrives with the information you need. Here's the key to making recurring tasks work. Complete the current task when you finish it. As soon as you mark it complete, Asana automatically generates the next instance with the correct due date. Based on the repeat settings you chose, you'll see it appear in your list or calendar ready for the next cycle. That's all it takes. Create the task, set the first due date, choose set to repeat, configure the pattern, save it, and then complete the task each time to keep the chain going. This simple setup keeps your workflow consistent, organized, and reliably on schedule.